You know what? I go back in my place. Because right now, if Camille come back and see me and you talk, and me have to go in a hiding. Bless up yourself.
Trevor. I know we didn't leave on good terms. And I know you probably hate me. But I just hope you can give me the chance to prove that it wasn't nothing personal. I learned a lot over the past few months. And I really realized who and what is important to me. Please think about what I just said to you.
Trevor, why you hold me up so far? We in a public, you know?
Public? Why you don't want me hold you up in a public? Eh? You have somebody where I watch you where you don't want to see me hold you up? Eh?
Stop your foolishness. Where you come from?
Oh, I'm asking it. Me go link for checking if I have no banana. Cause banana scarce. I need some banana.
Okay.
Yeah.
Remember we say we are concerned, my friend.
Yeah, I'm not gonna have no banana. Come man, we go find something.
Where we are?
Come, Shepard. Shepard, what the cutlass for?
Well, I chop bush. One boy bad drive me out the road a while ago. So me pawn it. And me dey go chop more than bush.
Shepard, I don't know you as a violent man. So please don't make nobody dry you out.
No sir. Me is not a violence man. Me member say me have options. So that is why I'm going to lick up in the next man car back. It will make him turn to the for a while.
Shepard, I can never understand something. Whenever time you will come on my yard, me can pick you up on my camera.
Hey. Camera sit like you in a bubbles. Camera can look on you. And a man make it. And if man can blind, camera can blind too.
So, Shepard, what is this?
A long time me no see you. And me a pass na the area. And me decide to pay a visit. You know long visit Shepherd.
Oh. Shepard, no say me a fast in your business still. But where you do round in the area?
But a fast na my business. If you would like to know, is that there's a local shop down the road where sell produce and them sell honey. So me stop pick up 2 buckle for me and pick up 2 buckle.
For you and 2 buckle?
Honey? So you're in the area, I pick up honey?
So, sitting wrong with the honey? Are drugs?
No, never said that, but I think you get your honey from Mildred.
Keep up! You're too damn slack. And the honey from the bees me a chat. Up in my business and do even half of me a seed. Not even sinting for yam.
My apologies, Shepherd. You can have a seat. I don't really have any food in the house now, but I have snacks.
Then, soon I can no food. Eh? Oh, by the way, the shed pan we have in the corner fridge, we have in the cow food. While I eat the sunak, you can warm that up too.
What's this step up in here? Shepherd, how Mildred?
Lord Bubbles, me too much empty man, me can't shout. When you come round?
Alright, I come in.
Oh, thank you.
I didn't know which one you wanted, so.
We take the tray.
Sorry, sir.
Oh, Mildred him in the other day no. Say ma get a things for cook for Christmas. So he's not a Christmas man. So he can cook all he want.
But Shepherd, October now.
You know Mildred me no. I him say, early bird, I'm the most warm. She start look things to bake. She look the Christmas tree. She also she want sorrel. You can imagine? And me have one whole field of sorrel there. She claims that the white one she want. You know some things that Mildred racist.
No man, Shepherd, but me hear about the white sorrel. It nice for chew, you know.
Well, that means that you're racist too. Me? I will stop the evil when me know.